Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing some nails. It is the Saturday stamping group, and this week's theme is birds. So I'm going to use this stamping plate. I'll try not to get too much of glare. BP-134. So, and it's got a whole bunch of different little chickens. So I'm going to do a couple different ones and then maybe do some feathers. So we'll get started. Okay, so I kind of want to do this, this guy. So, and I'm going to do blue. We're going to use this Peacock Pearl. And this is by SHEMODERN. So, sorry, I have a dog hair in my mouth. Probably TMI, but when you have dogs, it's like fluffy dogs. So, I'm going to turn it over. And okay, that picked up really well. It's so cute. Okay, so, oh, one sec. Okay, sorry, I forgot my cotton cloth, so to wipe off. So I'm going to do that one for that nail, and then let's do this one. She looks kind of cute. So we'll do her. I'm saying it's a her, and then he's a him. Let's do her in black, or maybe pink. Let's do fuchsia, and then we know. And then I'll just color them in. I always get my scraper stuck to my mat, and then I can't pick it up. Okay, I picked up that chicken really well too. I don't think I'm not going to do chickens because, or the little. Okay, it's hard to see with my light. So sometimes it might be easier because I kind of judge from there. Might be easier with tape, but there we go. Okay, now I'm thinking I'm going to do, so I'm going to do them on those, and then I want to do these little feathers. And I'm thinking, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll do like a smoosh. With the two colors. Just make sure I didn't get something just went flying. I don't know what. So I got a lot of smearing, but that's okay. Because we're not going to use all of it. So let's do the big feathers. Oh, that looks cute. And then maybe I'll try and do the green one there. Oh, that looks cute. I like that. Okay, and hang on one sec. Okay, I don't know what went flying, so I probably should paint these guys, but I'm still gonna play. So we're just going to do a mix of colors. And then we're going to smush them together. Hang on. And then, there we go. So I'm going to do this one. My thumb. Let's see. No, it doesn't. Okay. So I'm going to add a feather to the end. So, but hang on one sec. Okay, so I'm back. So we're going to add some polish. And then get rid of the smear. And that. So I'm just taking off what I don't want. Okay, and then, so then I had some room down here. So I'm going to add that. I don't know if I got it in the camera, but just so my whole nail seemed like it was covered. Okay, so there's the feathers. Okay, so clean that off. Okay, hang on one sec, I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna paint these, my little chickens. So, oh, I forgot some tin foil to put my polish on. So first off, I'm gonna get some orange for their little beaks. Hopefully I can see them. So there. Sorry, it's kind of hard to see with my lights. And so, and then I'll probably do her little legs. I kind of guess. I don't know if they're orange per se. Her legs. And then I'm going to do her jacket in pink. Ooh, it's an awful lot of polish, but that's okay. So when I put the polish down, I don't touch the stamper. With the brush, I just kind of float the polish along. Okay. I can't see her coat anymore, or her little buttons. I might have to put them on after. Okay, I'll put that one aside. Now make my little chicken white. I think they're white. Oh, this polish is yucky. Wait, wait, wait. I have another white somewhere. That's gonna go in the garbage. I do have thinner, but there's not much left in that bottle. I'm not going to worry about it. So now I just cover him all in white. So I'm just going to do the whole thing, so then that way the blue will stand out more. Oh, I kind of smudged the blue a little bit, so that's okay. So now I go and do her arms. And then her face. So if you want the cover, like if you're gonna go over like a dark color and you're not certain if the color that you've chosen will stand up, you can always go over it all in white, and then that way it'll make the color pop more. But she should fit. So now I'm going to probably wait about 10 minutes for these guys to dry. So I will be back in a moment. Okay, so these should be dry now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Pro FX Sticky Base Coat. This one I don't believe is available any longer. But I have it, so I'm going to finish using it up. But you can use Orly Bonder, or Maniology has a sticky base coat. Yellow Stopper apparently. So there's a few options, or you can use a clear top coat, not a fast dry one, just a regular one, and then wait till it's tacky, and then you can apply it onto your nail. Now, so I'm going to wait about a minute and I will be right back. One moment. Okay, so I should be dry now. So I'm actually going to put her on my middle nail because she seems wider. And then I'm going to put him there. And I kind of want some little dots for let's find my black. Just because I want there. That's good enough. So now, sorry, just rinsing off my brush while I still remember. Okay, so now I'm just going to wait a minute for the little dots to dry, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it should be dry now, so I am going to use my Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. Don't forget to use my discount code if you order from Maniology to save yourself some money. So I'm just doing a quick coat. I'm not pressing my brush to the nail. I'm just going over super quick, super thin coat. And okay, so we will let that dry and then I will top coat. So one sec. Okay, so now I am going to use my SE Speed Center, and this just seals everything in because the Maniology smudge-free top coat is a water-based top coat. You need to have a regular top coat to protect it. So apply this, and then once this is dry, then I will put on some cuticle oil. Oh, I forgot about my lamp. I'm like, why is it so dark? As I'm waiting for things to dry, I'm playing with my my diamond painting. So I'm kind of getting addicted to it. It's kind of fun. So you'll be seeing a lot of diamond painting videos on my channel. So hope you don't mind, but it's fun. Okay, so there is my final look for my theme of birds. So I did some chickens. I guess they're chickens. So as per usual, I will have our collage photo, and then who participated this week, I will have their individual photos as well. Oh, I forgot. I didn't tell you, my base is China Glaze, and it's called Cutie Mark the Spot. Sorry, I can't read. So that's my base. So my husband actually liked that color. He's like, oh, that's a nice color. So anyway, so there's my final look. Thanks for hanging out with me while I do my nails. I hope you guys are doing well and you are staying safe. So stay tuned for photos, and then of course puppies. Okay, love you guys, and remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Hey, Peppers. Pedro. Pippa. Hi, Daisy. Yeah, they don't care. They're saying, food, mommy. Did you get it out, Pippa? There's an ice cube in there. She's trying to fish for the ice cube.
That's right, I gotta stop mine.